Hello everyone, welcome to all SYBSC students in our environment lecture. See the fourth topic from Unit 7 from your syllabus, that is environmental movements. Here in this lecture we are going to study some environmental movements. So see the first one, that is definition. An environmental movement can be defined as social or political movement for the conversion of sorry for the conservation of environment or for the improvement of the state of environment. So here in this topic number 3 from unit 7, there is a environmental movement. So what is the environmental movement? It can be defined as social political movement for the conservation of environment and for the improvement of the state of environment. Okay, means how we can conserve a environment or how we can improve our state of the environment. And there is a important role in a social and political movement. So here the environmental movements in India. This picture is clearly shows we all are participate for the conservation of such a environmental movements and improvement for this environment. Let's see the first movement from your syllabus. According to your syllabus, there is one of the important movement is the Bishnoi movement in 70s. The Bishnoi is a small community in Rajasthan. Okay, Bishnoi is a small community in Rajasthan. Value their trees and wildlife as much as their lives. Means they give a very important value to their trees and wildlife as much as their lives. So, following one of the 29 rules given by their guru, the Bishnoi would do anything to prevent the destruction of trees by human beings. Okay, so Bishnoi is one of the smaller community that live in Rajasthan. They give a more importance or more value to the trees and wildlife uh, in their state. So as much as to their lives. So there is 29 rules are assigned, or these 29 rules are given by their guru of that Bishnoi communities, and the Bishnoi would do anything. Okay, this community, this Bishnoi's community, they would do anything to prevent the destruction of trees by human beings. Okay, so including hugging the trees if they are threatened in any way. Okay, and the destroyer cannot cut the trees without cutting these human bodies. And so there is a one of the best movement for the conservation of the environment and the trees. So including they get hugged to that particular trees where they are threatened in any way, and the destroyer they first become they cannot cut the trees without cutting these human bodies. Okay, so Amrita Devi, a female villager, hugged the trees and encouraged others to do the same. Okay, so the Amrita Devi, she is the female from this villager. So she first become hug the trees and encourage to the others people to do the same thing. So there is 363 Bishnoi villagers were killed in this movement. Okay, so this is the first movement from your syllabus, that is Bishnoi movement in 70s. So there is, so this small picture also shows how such a females are hug a trees and protect a tree from these destroyers. So destroyers cannot the trees without cutting these trees. So Amrita Devi, it is the first female villager, hug the trees and encourage the others to do the same. So later on uh, she is the first leader, and the later on 363 Bishnoi villagers. Mr. Bahuguna enlightened by conveying the forest, especially the right to fodder. Okay, so Mr. Bahuguna, the villages by conveying the forest specially used for the fodder purpose should go to local people. The Chipko movement gathered movement in 1978 when the women faced police firings and other tortures. So then the state chief minister Hemavati Nandan Bahuguna set up a committee to look into the matter and which eventually ruled in favor of the villagers. So importance of trees in the environment which checks the erosion of soil, cause rains and provides pure air, and the women of Advani village of Tehri Garhwal tied and the sacred thread around trunks of trees and they hug the trees. Hence, it was called Chipko movement or hug the tree movement. The main demand of the people in this protest was that the benefits. Okay, so this is the second movement, Chipko movement. Okay, in 1973, Mr. Sundarlal Bahuguna, first one enlightened this convey. Okay, and they protect the forest by through this Chipko movement. The next one, that is Save Silent Valley movement in 1978. So this is third movement for environment conservation. Okay, according to your syllabus. So there is a third movement, that is Save Silent Valley movement in 1978. The Kerala State Electricity Board KSEB proposed a hydroelectric dam across the Kunti River that runs through Silent Valley. Okay, so in Kerala State Electricity proposed one a project, that is hydroelectric dam across in that river, that is Kunti Puzaha. So the river that runs through Silent Valley. In February 1973, the Planning Commission approved the project at a cost of about rupees 25 crores. Many feared that the project would submerge 8.3 square kilometer of untouched moist evergreen forest. So several NGOs strongly opposed the project and urged the government to a ban on it. So in January 1981, owing to unrelenting public pressure, Indira Gandhi declared that Silent Valley will be protected. Protected. Okay, so this is the third important movement for environment conservation, that is Silent Valley. Okay, in 1978, the Kerala state declared there is a hydroelectric power plant. They on carried on the project. This is developed on the river Kunti Uzaha, but there are some drawbacks here. Disadvantage: the local people, they are uh, the planning commission also approved the project, but a cost of about 25 crores, and many fear that the project would submerge in 8.3 square kilometer of untouched moist evergreen forest. So several NGOs strongly opposed such a project and urged the government for ban on it. And finally, in January 1981, such a unrelating public pressure bowing to Indira Gandhi declared that Silent Valley will be protected. Thank you so much. So this is all about the some environmental movements. It is done by the peoples. Okay, in your syllabus there are three important environmental movement. First one, that is Bishnoi's movement. Second is Chipko movement, and third is Save Silent Valley movement. Okay, thank you very much.